everyone, welcome to Engineer Science YouTube channel. This is our third lecture of evaporation, vapor pressure and boiling series. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the factors which are affecting the rate of evaporation. So first of all, we will discuss that what basically the rate of evaporation is. Rate of evaporation is simply the speed of evaporation. The rate of evaporation defines at which speed the liquid is being evaporated. So simply the rate of evaporation can also be termed as speed of evaporation. So let's start the factor which are affecting the rate of evaporation. First of all, we have the surface area of the liquid. The surface area is the factor which can affect the speed of evaporation. For example, in this figure, you can see two containers, container A, container B. Both containers contain alcohols in them. Since we can see that the liquid which is placed in the two container is same, but the only thing which is different is the surface area of the liquid, surface area of alcohol. In this container, the alcohol has smaller surface area, whereas in this condition at container B, the alcohol has greater surface area. So obviously the rate of evaporation in container B will be greater as compared to the rate of evaporation in container A. Means the alcohol from container B evaporates more rapidly as compared to the alcohol which is present in container A. So this is the effect of surface area on the speed of evaporation. This can also be understood by considering an example that when you wash your clothes, then you try to hang them in such a way that the clothes will get the maximum surface area. In this way, you can increase the rate of evaporation of water, so that the water which is trapped in your clothes can evaporate more rapidly. So when you hang your clothes, you are trying to get maximum surface area to dry them, to make them dry as soon as possible. So this is the effect of surface area on the rate of evaporation of the liquid. The second factor is the nature of liquid. The rate of evaporation is also affected by the nature of liquid. Since we know that there are two types of liquid, the first one is the volatile liquid. The first type is volatile liquid and the second type is non-volatile liquids. Non-volatile liquids or weakly volatile liquids. The volatile liquids are those liquids which have faster rate of evaporation, whereas the non-volatile liquids are those liquids which have smaller or less rate of evaporation. The volatile liquids are those liquids, the volatile liquids basically have small or weak intermolecular forces between the particles, hence they are volatile in nature, whereas the non-volatile liquids have strong intermolecular forces between the particles. That is the reason of their non-volatility. So you can see a diagram in this figure. You can see that there are two containers and the surface area of the liquid in both container is same, which means that there is no effect of surface area in this condition. The temperature and pressure conditions are also same, means the temperature and pressure in this condition cannot affect our comparison. The only thing which is changed is the nature of liquid. Since what in this container A we placed water, whereas in container B we have alcohol, and we know that alcohol is more volatile than water. So we can say that water is non-volatile or less volatile liquid, whereas the alcohol is a highly volatile liquid. So in this condition we have the same surface area and temperature and pressure conditions. The nature of the liquid will affect the speed of reaction. In this condition, the alcohol will evaporate at faster rate as compared to the water, because the only factor in this condition which is controlling the rate of evaporation is the nature of liquid. So the evaporation is also affected by the nature of liquid. And the liquid can be of two types. It may be a volatile liquid or a non-volatile liquid. Now Let's move to the third factor. Before moving towards the third factor, we have a reason here that why volatile liquids evaporates at more faster rate. We already discussed this reason that volatile liquids have weak intermolecular forces. That's why they can easily evaporate. They require less energy for the evaporation. Hence, they evaporate more fastly, more rapidly as compared to the non-volatile liquids. The reason of the volatility of the volatile liquid is the weak intermolecular forces. Now let's move towards the third factor. The third factor is the environmental temperature. The environmental temperature has also a great effect on the speed of evaporation. We can understand this by considering an example. In this condition, we consider two containers, and again in this example the surface areas of these two containers are same, means that there is no effect of surface area. Both the containers contain ethanol, means the nature of the liquid is also same, and it represents that in this condition the nature of liquid is also not affecting the speed of evaporation. And we can also see that the pressure conditions are also same, that is the standard atmospheric pressure. Now in container A we can see that the temperature of the ethanol is 25, whereas in container B the temperature of the ethanol is 50 degrees centigrade. So in both of these container, the container which is at 50 degrees centigrade show greater, the liquid which is present in container B at 50 degrees centigrade show faster rate of evaporation as compared to the ethanol which is present in container A. Although the both liquids are same in nature, but due to difference of pressure their rate of evaporation will be different. So the greater will be the temperature, will greater be the rate of evaporation. From this explanation we conclude that the temperature has a great influence on the rate of evaporation of the reaction. Now we have two factors to discuss. The fourth factor is pressure, environmental pressure, and the fifth factor is the percentage of humidity present in the air. These two, we will discuss these two factors in detail in the coming lecture, that is lecture number 4. So keep in touch and keep watching the videos. Thank you.